guys, welcome to Home Sweet Homeschool. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom to one, and today's video is so exciting. I'm participating in the Homeschool Mom Box Swap hosted by Rachel at Day to Day Joys. This is something she's hosted for the past couple of years, and I'm so excited to get to participate this year. When I got home from co-op today, there was a box on my front porch, which is pretty normal for our house because we kind of have an obsession with Amazon. So I went to get the boxes, and when I saw the name on the box, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's my Homeschool Mom Box Swap. So I'm super pumped about doing this video. This is going to be really fun for everybody to watch. The playlist is going to be linked below so you can watch all the other mamas who participated in this Homeschool Mom Box Swap. And it's a really neat idea. We randomly get paired up with someone, and we watch their channel, we get to know them, which the person that sent me a box, I already watched her channel, which was super cool, and the person that I sent my box to, I watched them already, so it was fun to just watch them a little bit more, and then we just send them some love, some things that they like. So make sure you check out that playlist so you can see all the moms who participated. Now, I sent a box to Lindsay at Diary of a Homeschool Mama, so you want to check out hers to see what I sent her. And then I got my box from Mandy at the Handmade Homeschooler. And I'm sure you guys already watch her, and so I kind of geeked out a little because I'm like, oh my gosh, I watch her videos. So I'm going to see, we're going to do an unboxing so you can see what I got from her. So here's my box. And we have a card. I'm not going to read it out loud, but we have a card from her. So sweet. So it's from Mandy, the Handmade Homeschooler. Super excited to open this. Now, I'm not going to hold my box in my lap the whole time. I'm going to take stuff out. I don't know about you, but I love getting surprises. So let's see here. Oh my goodness. Look at these beautiful teacher stickers. I love planner stickers, teacher stickers, any kind of stickers. I love them. Look at that lemon. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right. Oh, this is beautiful. It says, with God, all things are possible. I love notebooks. If you ask anybody in my family, you can get me a notebook and I'm happy. I have so many notebooks sitting around that I just grab up all the time to write in. This is so pretty, and I love anything with flowers. Love it. All right. Let's open the purple box. Already liking it. Let's see what this is. If I can get it out. It's a mug. Oh my goodness. I put on my list of things I love. My favorite Disney movie is The Little Mermaid. I love mermaids, and look at this mug. My sister's going to be so jealous. She loves mermaids too. This is beautiful. Not only do I love the colors, I love mermaids, and my protein shake is going to be delicious in this. Love it. And then she said this was her most favorite office supply in this blue wrapping. So I can already tell it's something that I like. So let's open this up. Oh yes. Oh yes. Woo! Who doesn't love Papermate flares? I love Papermate flares. You can never have too many Papermate flares. Like, these are my all-time favorite pins. This was awesome. I absolutely love doing this Homeschool Mom Box Swap. Mandy, thank you so much for being an inspiration on YouTube, and thank you so much for all of my goodies. I love every single one of them. Remember to check out the playlist, and thanks again to Rachel from Day to Day Joys for hosting this Homeschool Mom Box Swap. And as always, thank you so much for watching.